Good PM. Ngayon po ay Monday, March 9, 2026. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, March 9, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong March 9, 2026 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, March 9, 2026. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for March 9, 2026, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, March 9, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.